Everybody, just wanted to make a real quick video. We've got a Samsung refrigerator right here, and we've got it's got the double doors. It's got the ice maker up on the top, and we've also got an ice maker on the bottom. The ice maker on the top stopped making ice and would make a clicking noise all the time. And you could hear it from across the room. It was this clicking noise that would just go for a while, and then no ice would actually come out. So I wanted to show you guys what the issue is and how to actually fix it. So I've already actually removed the ice tray that's here. It just comes right out. It's normal. You've got one screw that holds on the side cover right here. You can take out the side cover, and in there is where your wiring is. This is the wire for the ice maker, this second one right here. You unplug that and simply just press down on this tab, and you can pull this entire unit out. Now I've gone ahead already and put the new one in, but I'm going to show you what actually happens with these and what that clicking noise is. Over here we've got the old ice maker. So like I said, you just press down on that tab. You can see the slots where basically the holders are, and the entire thing comes right out. Now I've already taken this apart. I've taken the screws out just to be able to show you guys what that clicking noise is inside of these ice makers. The problem that we have currently is the fact that we've got really hard water, and you can see that buildup here. And when this bar turns to scoop the ice out, basically when we've got hard water like we do, it's just harder on appliances, and that scoop gets caught and the ice gets stuck in there. And what you end up getting, if you can see in there, is there are missing teeth off of that gear, and there's also missing teeth here off this drive motor. So if you're getting a clicking noise from your ice maker, it's definitely probably the gears itself trying to catch the next tooth, and they're probably broken off. So it's relatively easy to replace. Like I said, it is literally one screw. You unplug the unit, just push down on that tab and pull it out. You don't need to take it all apart like I've done here. I just wanted to show you what was actually happening. But if you're getting a clicking noise, that's what's causing it, so you need a new one. These are usually about $100 on Amazon. Make sure that the model number matches. You can find the model number for the ice maker right here on the bottom. You can see mine is a DA97. Make sure that you get the same model for this. I will say this refrigerator is a 2013, and they're still making the same ice makers for them. So this is probably a relatively common part along a lot of these. So if you've got yourself an issue where your ice machine is making a clicking noise and not making ice, it's probably your problem.